Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa by Kunal Kapoor, only way. Rinse 1 cup quinoa under cold water, then toast briefly in 1 tablespoon oil if desired. Add 2 cups water and a pinch of salt, bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook for 15 minutes. Turn off heat and let quinoa rest covered for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork and serving warm. For flavor, toast quinoa in a dry pan for about 2 minutes to unlock nuttiness, then cook in broth instead of water for depth. Stir in a squeeze of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and a generous handful of chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro. Add toasted nuts or seeds for texture, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste for a simple, balanced dish that pairs well with proteins or veggies. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is a bold, fresh car air freshener that pairs perfectly with your post-grocery drive after buying quinoa and herbs. It keeps your car smelling crisp while you plan meals and errands, and it's an easy, small upgrade that makes everyday life better. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Quinoa is versatile and works for lunch, dinner, or breakfast. Serve it warm as a side with roasted vegetables or grilled fish, or cool it down for salads with beans and feta. For breakfast, simmer quinoa in milk with cinnamon and top with fresh fruit and nuts. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days and reheat with a splash of water or broth to refresh texture before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.